Yes, you are trying your nice. Yes.
Yes, I see.
Yeah.
I see. I see. I see. I see. I see.
They put it on the ground.
Yep, they're playing.
Biting it. They're biting it.
No, not fighting. They're just playing.
Yeah, they're using a mouse as a hand, Kento. Oh.
How straight through.
Oops.
Look. Look at that.
Throw whistle. That's a very nice whistle.
Don't buy on Don't buy on mine. Don't buy on my whistle. Don't buy on
So already the owners picked which one goes kind of.
Yeah, I pretty well know who's getting which puppy.
Guys! Guys,
It's
don't
okay. No, just let them sort it out for themselves. They will. They have to learn.
You have to
Mhm.
the tummy. Ian got start the tummy. He's going there.
He's chewing his dick.
Yep, just like a Pocky does. Oh,
Oh,
somebody visiting mommy. I mean, not their mommy, but can see from this